Hello everyone. In the continuation of hydroelectric power plant, now we will discuss about types of hydropower plants. So, according to the availability of head, this is classified as per the head: the high head power plant, medium head power plant, and low head power plants. And according to the nature of the load, the power plant is classified into two types. One is base load power plant, another one is peak load power plant. Then, according to the quantity of the water available, the power plant classified into five types. One, run-off river plant without bondage. The second one is run-off river plant with bondage. Third one is hydroelectric power plant with storage reservoirs. Fourth one, pump storage plants. And fifth one, mini and micro hydel power plants. These mini and micro hydel power plants are it's constructed near the some small dams. The hydroelectric power plants with the storage reservoir is constructed near the huge amount of rainfalling area. These are the factors to be considered for selection of this site. The installation of power plant site is most important. Is classified is it's selected under these following factors. The most important is the availability of water, because here in the hydroelectric power plant water is used as the energy source. The design and the capacity of the hydro power plant greatly depends on the amount of water which is available at this site. So based on the availability of water, we can already discussed the power plant is classified into three types. One is high head, medium head, and low head power plants. Then second factor is the water storage capacity. Since there is a wide variation in the rainfall all around the year, it is always necessary to store the water for continuous generations. The water is stored at the reservoir area. Then available water head. In order to generate the desired quantity of power, it is necessary that a large quantity of water at a sufficient head should be available. And increasing in water head reduces the quantity of the water required. Then distance from the load center. Load center is nothing but in the steam power plant, the cold storage area is the load center. In the hydroelectric power plant, the reservoir, that is dam, is the load center. If the site is close to the load center, the cost of the transmission lines and the transmission losses will be reduced. The types of land of the site. The land should be cheap, and the dam constructed at the site should have large enrichment area to store the water at a high head. These are the advantages of hydroelectric power plants. Here there are no fuel charges, because the water is used as the energy source. It is naturally available. It is abundantly available. So there is no need for paying the water. Less supervising staff is required. The maintenance and the operation charges are very low compared than the steam thermal power plants, gas turbine, and other types of power plants. The running cost of the plant is also low. No fuel transportation is required, because in the hydroelectric power plant, water is used as the energy source. So near the load center, that is dam, we can construct the power plant. So there is no fuel transportation is required. No ash and flue gas problem does not pollute the atmosphere, because here we are not using the coal or oil or other natural gases. Long life in comparison with the thermal and nuclear power plants. It has some disadvantages. High initial cost. The construction and installation cost also high. It takes the long time of the erection process. Plants are set up at distant places, to transmission losses increases. Totally depend on the availability of water. It depends on the availability of water. So the power generation is mainly depends on that water level. The larger area required to construct this power plant, then period of installation time is also high, because the site selection and equipment selection like turbines based on the head level, like Kaplan turbine, Pelton wheel turbine, or Francis turbine. The selection of turbine and the power generation units. It takes the long periods for the installation. Thank you for watching this video. In upcoming video series, we will discuss about another type of power plants. Thank you.